A convicted sexual predator has allegedly struck again. Yesterday, we shared with you the latest allegations he faces. Today, PNC's Jolene Toves takes a deeper look at his criminal past.
Kevin John Roberts was convicted for the 2006 molestation of a 12-year-old girl. Prior to his conviction, he was placed on pretrial release, during which time he was rearrested and charged with the 2007 molestation of a 9-year-old girl. For the initial charge, Roberts was found guilty by a jury in 2009 of second-degree criminal sexual conduct as a first-degree felony and sought to appeal that conviction. In the second arrest, Roberts took a plea deal in 2011, with the government agreeing to abandon his appeal and plead guilty to second-degree criminal sexual conduct as a first-degree felony. By this time, he had already served more than 4 years in prison out of a 10-year sentence. Court documents state that the prior conviction was vacated and combined with the 2011 conviction. This meant that he would not serve any additional time. Instead, he was given a sweetheart's plea deal, which allowed for him to serve a concurrent 10-year sentence. Since completing his incarceration, Roberts has allegedly reoffended, but the latest allegations appears to indicate that the violent nature of the crime has escalated from his previous MO of molesting minors to now the rape of a 25-year-old woman. In this case, the victim allegedly woke up in a car to Roberts penetrating her. This could be Roberts' third strike if convicted, which means he could face life imprisonment, in addition to his parole being revoked. According to the Citizen-Centric report in 2016, there were 104 forcible rape cases, and up until October 2017, there were 72 forcible rape cases reported. These numbers do not reflect other types of sex offenses or repeat criminal sexual conduct offenses by convicts. Alleged repeat offenders such as Roberts raises the question, what else can be done to prevent and deter criminal sexual offenders from committing the crime again? As you may recall, in 2015, chemical castration was passed into law. The law was intended to help protect men, women, and children from sexual predators by requiring the Department of Corrections to create a program to screen and refer convicted sex offenders who are eligible for parole to volunteer to participate in the program. The purpose of the program was to reduce their ability or risk of hurting someone else while they are out on the street by administering a hormone or anti-androgen treatment that will reduce the sex drive. However, according to DOC Director Tony Lamarena, because the mandate is unfunded, DOC has not had the ability to implement the program. Meanwhile, in the past, non-U.S. citizens convicted of CSC have been deported or are subject to deportation. Reporting for PNC News, I'm Jolene Toves.